Hi, welcome back to Caitlin's Kitchen House. Today we're going to be baking a salmon with a side of mashed sweet potato. First we're going to put some oil. We put avocado oil on this tray. Then you have to spread it around. Now grab a piece of salmon and lay it on the tray. And now we're going to be pouring some salt on the salmon. Now we're going to be putting some pepper. And then we're going to be pouring some oil on top. Now you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So now we're going to be peeling our sweet potato and boil our sweet potato for our side of our salmon. Now we're going to be putting it in the oven. And we're going to leave it on there till it heats and it's going to start. So now we put our sweet potatoes in a pot like this and we're going to boil them. This is our boiled mashed potatoes. So now we're putting our mashed sweet potatoes in this bowl. Now we're gonna be putting some salt on our sweet potatoes and some pepper. For the sweet potatoes, you can also use yams too, but today we're using yams instead of sweet potatoes. So now we're going to be putting some vanilla almond milk in there. You can use regular milk or unsweetened almond milk. And we're going to mix it together. Our salmon is officially done and we're going to take it out of the oven. So now and we're going to put some of our sweet. So I like to put a little rice in with my salmon, so super good. Please like and subscribe my video and hope that you click the bell for turning notifications on to notify all my new videos I post, and